Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to do this NITECORE Supreme. This is 380 looms with the built-in 280 milliamp lithium-ion battery. It's a tiny, mini metallic keychain light. So today we're going to do a test. I'm going to turn the room completely darkness and then try the different mode on this tiny mini metallic keychain light. In case you didn't see my unboxing video, you could search under my channel, or I'll try to include in the link that's going to show in below. So this one does not come with the micro USB charging cable. You have to use your own. It only comes with the tiny mini micro keychain and then key ring. That's it. So let's go ahead and do the test. As you can see right now, the room is completely turned on with the lights. I'm going to shut it down all the way, completely darkness, and I'm going to test this one with a different mode. So right now it's the very low mode. And then this is the medium mode. And this is the super brightest, which is the highest mode. Low, mid, and then super bright. And then I'm going to turn it off. And by pressing the mode button, if you tap on it, this is the super brightest mode. So actually this tiny mini keychain light has 4 different modes. That's like a low, high, mid, and then if you press and hold the mode button, it will be the super bright. Let's go ahead and test out real quick. This is the lowest mode right now. Okay, and then if I hit the mode button, it's going to turn into mid. This one is mid, and then a high. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off. And if I press and hold down the mode button, it will be the super brightest. So I'm going to turn the lights off and then test out for you guys real quick. So this is the low mode, and then I'm going to press the mode. It's going to turn into mid. This is mid, and if we're going to press the mode button again, it's going to turn into high. Alright, now I'm going to turn it off, and then this time around I'm going to hit the mode button. It's going to turn into the super bright. So this is super bright, and I had to keep on holding the mode button, or else if I let go, it's going to go off. hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. If you guys have any special requests, please let me know, and then I will try to fulfill your requests. Anyway, thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video, like always. Peace.